today's video we're going to explore Wixel, or as I see it, the Adobe Express of Wix or the Canva of Wix. This tool seems to be doing everything. It removes backgrounds, removes objects, inserts objects into a different scenes, can create resumes, templates, and social media posts like for Instagram and other vertical media. It seems like it has like lots of different capabilities, and I'm excited to explore and see what actually is capable of. And I guess we can create different objects within the tool with prompts, and also manipulate the prompts through further prompting and entering different details like it's shown here on the right side. So I'm excited to see that. We have a couple of templates here, and as it seems we can manipulate images and create some kind of collages and different type of compositions with certain tweaking. And as you can see here, the plan is free for 10 daily AI credits for image creation and editing. This means that I probably have 10 steps to generate what I want to generate, and then I will be probably prompted to subscribe for the pro version, which has 1,000 monthly AI credits for image creation and editing. I don't know how useful this is for testing and how flexible it will be, but we will try it out. So we can create AI images, we can create art, basically we can photo edit, and we can remove background. Okay, here we have different tips and ideas, inspiration, and more. Is this a big... Yes, it is a big CTA button. Okay, so let's create something new. Okay, we can replace the background, we can remove and replace object, we can crop image, we can convert image. Okay, we can generate images. We have also inspirations with social media, invitations, resumes, and other posts. I think Figma also came up with something similar. Was it Figma Create or something like that? Let me check. Oh yeah, it was Figma Buzz. That's what it was. The one that can create different types of social media posts, like Canva already does. It can create also ads, which is interesting. It has also like generated templates. We have print as well. We have something about business, I assume, presentations and some kind of, I don't know what, sales and promotions. Okay, events. Okay, let's explore and see how good is the replace background. I'm going to use this image from Amalfi, and I will prompt it to change it with, let's say, Santorini. Generated. Okay, carnival with flashing lights and vibrant colors. So I want the AI to generate Santorini's picturesque cliffs and blue and white rooftops. Let's see what will happen. It takes some time. Oh, okay, interesting. I don't know what I'm leaning to, but okay, so I don't know if this will fix the prompt or not, but I'm glad that they asked for feedback immediately after on the right side. It's not bad. Okay, now it's much better. Okay, not the same color grading, but definitely something to be working with. Okay, if I show this to someone and they're not looking for really detailed inspection, I think it can pass. Definitely it can pass. Okay, love that. Okay, we can choose a color too, apply shadow, add elements, new design. Let's try new design, and let's try... Oh, do you want to create an avatar of... Oh, I need to add a reference. Okay, that's like useless. For at the moment. Portrait, turn your everyday image into a professional business portrait. Okay, I can add an image and create multiple versions. Okay, but I think I want to try this one. Describe the image you want to create. The more specific that your description is, the better the image will be. A beautiful night garden with glowing flowers and sparkling lights. I can add an object or a person. Interesting combination. Okay, great. I will add a pizza. Did it work? Yes. Okay. Description you want to create. I want to create okay, different types of pizza. Different types of pizza flying in the air surrounded by flowers, part of a commercial. I don't know how this descriptive is, but let's test it out and see. When turned on, and I will option reference create similar ones instead. Okay, let's see. This might take a minute or two. Alright, I like the pixel loading screen. It gives a perspective on how detailed this image generation can be. I will close for now. I like also this notice here. Do not enter any personal information and double check that you have right to use the content created by AI. Alright. I like also the layout, how overflowing it is. What is this? No, definitely. Oh no. Okay, I will remove the commercial part and see what happens. Different types of pizza are flying. It's more of like a advertisement kind of shot, you know what I mean, where they throw the pizza in the air with a little bit of flour dust. Maybe I should have added flour dust. Maybe it's too late. We shall see if it picks it up or not. Yeah, this was not a successful. What does that mean? A whimsical scene of various colors pizza soaring through the air, trailing delicate clouds of flour dust illuminated by soft sunlight and great playful. Okay, let's try this one. It enhanced it. Does it mean it will understand it? What I wanna see is like almost like product shots of different pizzas, like 2 or 3 pizzas, so we can get like the users to be excited for visiting the restaurant, for example. But that's like too much maybe to ask from AI. Ew, no. Definitely not what I need. Anyway, okay, social media asset. Okay, so here we have templates that we can just pick and choose from and just reuse them, I guess. Can we create an avatar without image? Choose your avatar style. They look very AI. Save the date cards. Okay. Some inspiration definitely available. Birthday and wedding. These are the only 2 events. Create resume. Okay. I like this. Black and white. Not bad, not bad. What does it mean with the pro version? They're available only through pro version. I thought they're like templates you should buy, like, you know, before you use. But you need to subscribe before you use them. Okay. Let's see what kind of elements we can add to the image. I wonder if these are actually AI generated or not. Can I change the color of the object? That's the border. Okay, I want to change the color of this one. Okay, let's leave it as it is for now here on the side. Add more elements. I'm just trying to experiment with all that we have. Okay, girls trip to. Can I center it somehow? Does it have the centering capabilities? Alignment, center, but where? Okay, flip it, but there's no grid to center it with. And I think it's just centered in terms of its own box, not as centered here. Anyway, I would like some alignment here. Icons, images, shapes we can add also. Okay, stickers. We have some graphics as well. Badges, text, different types of icons. This could be interesting to be used for people who need a quick icon pack for something like an event, or for online lectures, for example. Images, okay, and shapes. I wish I could edit the image, expand, smart select, colorful filters. No, I just want to change the color of it all. I don't want to change the size. I want to make it white, because in Canva, for example, you can select a sticker or element like this and change its color if it's not premium, right? So I wish I could do that here, but anyway, it's not that bad. Can I manipulate my photo separately? Me as an object? Not anymore. Adjust. Let's adjust. Contrast. Okay, interesting. Brightness. Takes the whole image as an image. It would be nice if I can tweak one and the other, but so far so good. Saturation. Okay. Not bad. Temperature. Ooh. Okay, now it looks a little bit more believable, like it has sunshine in the picture, kinda. Exposure. Okay. Alright. Doesn't look bad. Let's see what else can I adjust. Effects, opacity. Okay, I can change the opacity. Interesting. Sharpness and blurriness. Okay, I will just increase the sharpness a little bit so it can look more realistic. We can add grain as well. All in all, Wixel is not that bad. I don't know if you can do what you want with only 10 credits. I have 5 left, but if you plan and organize your steps in what you are trying to create, I think it is possible. Let's see how many were they. Oh, so we have 10 credits a day, so this means that if you want to create like a set of images that you need like 10 credits for, you need to spread them out through a couple of days in order to create it for free. If you want to create more visuals with this tool and play along, you can get the Wixel Pro and try that for yourself. But all in all, it's not a bad tool. I can see that we have like a interactive board, and it's quite good. We have some layers here, so we can change the layers of the image and see what it should be front, back, and etc. We can rename the frame. Okay, we can change the color of the text. Okay, we can maybe change it to some kind of blue. Smart select. What does it do? Select any object, then remove in a click to generate something new to replace it. Ah, interesting. What should we add? This one. I want clouds. And how do I tell that I want clouds? Describe what you want. Let's see how good this will look. Those are not fluffy clouds. And they're so dark. Oh my god. Okay. Nope. Reverse. Okay, it is what it is. Let's see. Remove background is pretty good because we saw it with replacing the background. Okay, so far so good. The sky here doesn't look as natural, but let me try once more. This should be good enough. Almost out of credits. Thank you for telling me. No, those are not the clouds that I'm looking for, but decent. Not bad. Okay, that's basically it. The interface is somewhat good. I don't dislike it. I see this familiarity from Figma and little bit from Wix interface, little bit of Canva recognized here and there. And yeah, it seems like something that can be used from Wix users if they want to create something new. As you remember, I don't know if we can redo so far, but we changed this picture from me being on the Amalfi Coast to being in Santorini. So I don't know if I can reverse it that much, but we created basically an invite where I can invite my girls to come for a girls trip. Yes, that's it. That's Wixel. Try it out, see for yourself if it will be of your service, if it will be of use. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, comment what was your favorite feature on this new tool, and subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.